Hello and welcome to the mp3.Academy YouTube channel. In this episode, we're going to dive into understanding the concept of life optimization with mp3.Academy. This is the first step on your journey toward a more fulfilling, productive, and happier life. Life optimization is all about making thoughtful changes that enhance every aspect of your life, from your happiness and well-being to your productivity and relationships. In this video blog, we'll break down the concept of life optimization and explore the key ideas that will help you understand how to assess your current situation, set realistic goals, and take action to start transforming your life. For our complete list of mp3.Academy audio modules, I invite you to visit our website at mp3.Academy. In the Shop section, you can browse and choose the product that best fits your needs right now. To keep it affordable, each module has a minimum price, but if you'd like to support mp3.Academy, you're welcome to pay a price of your choice. To keep your learning experience engaging, mp3.Academy modules feature two different voices, one feminine and one masculine. You can switch between them to keep the approach fresh and appealing. Life optimization is not about perfection, it's about constant improvement. By focusing on small, consistent changes, you create a ripple effect that leads to significant growth over time. In this episode, you'll learn how to approach life optimization holistically, combining physical, emotional, and mental well-being with proactive strategies for success. Let's start by exploring holistic improvement. Life optimization touches every part of your life, your health, your relationships, your career, and your emotional well-being. You can think of it as building a strong foundation for your life, where each area supports and enhances the other. When you improve your physical health, for example, you have more energy for your career and personal life. When you strengthen your relationships, you feel more supported and less stressed, which boosts your emotional well-being. The goal is to create a balanced life where everything works together for your overall growth and fulfillment. Next, let's talk about being goal-oriented. Life optimization is all about setting specific, measurable, and achievable goals, often called SMART goals. These goals give you a clear path to follow, whether you're trying to improve your fitness, advance in your career, or deepen your relationships. For example, instead of saying, "I want to be healthier," a SMART goal would be, "I will walk 30 minutes every day for the next month." This gives you something concrete to work towards and makes it easier to track your progress. Regularly reviewing your goals and making adjustments keeps you on track as your priorities change over time. Another essential element of life optimization is sustainability. It's easy to get excited about making big changes, but the key to real progress is finding a rhythm that works for you long-term. That means choosing habits and routines that fit naturally into your life. If you set unrealistic expectations, like working out for 2 hours every day or drastically changing your diet overnight, it's likely you'll burn out quickly. Sustainable progress means making small, consistent changes, like adding a 10-minute workout to your day or replacing one unhealthy snack with something more nutritious. These smaller changes are easier to maintain, and over time, they add up to lasting results. Another crucial aspect of life optimization is self-awareness. To truly optimize your life, you need to understand yourself, your strengths, your weaknesses, your triggers, and your motivations. Self-awareness helps you make better decisions and focus on what's really important. For example, if you know that stress causes you to overeat, you can work on strategies to manage stress before it leads to unhealthy habits. Developing self-awareness can be done through practices like journaling, meditation, or simply taking time to reflect on your actions and emotions. Finally, it's important to recognize that life optimization is a continuous process. It's not something you do once and then forget about. Your goals, needs, and circumstances will change as you grow and evolve, so life optimization requires regular check-ins with yourself. This is an ongoing journey of self-improvement, where you continually assess your progress and adjust your strategies. The goal is not to reach a point of perfection, but to always be moving forward, learning, and growing. By embracing life optimization as a lifelong practice, you open yourself up to endless possibilities for personal and professional growth. In conclusion, life optimization is about creating a plan that aligns with your values, enhances all areas of your life, and leads to meaningful, sustainable progress. The power of small, consistent changes, self-awareness, and goal setting will empower you to take control of your life and achieve your highest potential. If you're ready to start your journey, the MP3 Academy is here to guide you every step of the way. I invite you to visit our site at mp3.Academy.